Well, this is a story all about Browns. He bought a new house and flipped it upside down. He'd like to take a minute, just sit right there to tell you how he restored a manky old chair.
Welcome to another episode of Mog's Vlogs. Now, today, back in the car, what we're going to do is fit this item here. Now, I got this from Australia when I was over there, and it's a dash mat. So the idea is it protects the dash from the sunlight. Now, you probably won't be able to see it now, but my dash is various different shades of black and grey. So I'm going to pop this on, protect it so it doesn't get any further and crack. And it's just because black soft top roof, mohair, and the black dash, when the sun's out it gets really hot in here and it essentially discolours and burns the dash. Eventually it'll crack, so I'm just trying to avoid that. Now this it fits relatively well. The downside is it only came with 3 or 4 little squares of Velcro sewn onto it, which you then stick onto the dash, and it wasn't enough to hold it in place. So I've got some proper Velcro brand. This is 50mm and about 1.5 meters of it. Just got it off eBay, and so the plan is I'm going to clean the dash and then cut some chunks out of this, position them, put them onto the back of here, so stick them onto this side, check it all lines up and everything's going to fit roughly where it needs to be, and then I'll take it off, peel the sticky back for the dash side off and stick it on. So I won't bore you with making me watch it in real time, so we'll go back to another time lapse. Well, that's all done. As you can see, it's in. It is a little bit longer. I mean, the vents all match up. It does come forward proud a little bit, but it is on there now. I might just put a bit of tape down here if I get some more with a bit of Velcro, just to tidy these edges up a bit, because they're a bit. So I think it's probably just 1 centimetre too wide and 1 centimetre too deep. I'm not going to take it off and trim it because I'll lose the edges and it'll just all fray eventually. But the biggest advantage for me with this, it's the equivalent of flocking the dash. So it means in bright sunlight now I'll get no glare in the windscreen at all, and that is the biggest thing, being a soft top car in the summer. So I'll be able to rip it around the B roads without crashing, hopefully, fingers crossed anyway. But yeah, now all done. I'm pretty happy with it. I know there's a lot of people that probably have a bit worse OCD than me and would really want to trim it down so the edges line up perfectly, but I'm pretty happy with it. I've got rid of the airbag cover bit just because it looked untidy. It was only connected at the back with you know, the little bits, the little plastic staple things they use to hold clothes together, or hold tags to clothes. So 2 of those and a bit of material joining at the back, and it was just too untidy for my liking. So that's gone. I don't think it'll look too bad when I've tidied this up with a bit more Velcro. So yeah, I think the Velcro is stronger than the sticky back is, because I'm going onto the back of material. So if I take this off, I think all the Velcro will be left on the dash. But at the end of the day, cleaning sticky stuff off a dash isn't a problem if I decide to get rid of it. So yeah, I'm happy. Bit more work to do in here. In a previous video you probably saw some black and red seats when I was doing the chair project. Now they're going in here, a future date, which actually has been determined. So it'll probably be a month away, I think, and then get some Lotus Elise or VX220 seats mounted up in here. Gonna have a little road trip down to a friend for that one. Other than that, future plans for the interior are pretty slim. I want to try and think, as we're all done, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it'll settle in time when it's had some heat and probably look a little bit less untidy. I will definitely get some more Velcro to hold that side down and across the back of there, but I'm happy. The fact they didn't stay down very well the first time annoyed me a bit, because I think it was about £50 for the dash mat, because it is made to order from a template, so they had to make it up for me and ship it. But happy days anyway.